In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert and delete rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to go to my spreadsheet. It's called 07 Messenger Row Column. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on row 14. If you see the row label, so I'm going to go down to 14, click on the row label, and it will select the entire row. On the Home tab, we can do this one of two ways. So on the Home tab, the first way we're going to go up, we're going to go to the Sales group. We're going to click Insert, and we're going to click Insert Sheet Rows. And that's going to place a new row above the row that I had selected. So it typically puts a row above the row you had selected or to the left of the column that you had selected. All right, so we want to select two non-contiguous or three non-contiguous rows. So we're going to select so that we can insert multiple rows at a time. Maybe you want to put rows between every row in your spreadsheet because you realize that might look nicer. You could do that, but we're going to click on row 25. Scroll down. We're going to hold down the Control key. And we're going to also select 34 and 43. And if you need to scroll down, you have to let go of the Control key to scroll, because if you leave your finger on the Control key, it's going to zoom in or out. So that's all you have to do. Just make sure you click or you hold the Control key down again before you select something with your mouse. So I want you to right click on any of the three rows that you have selected. So right click. We're going to click on Insert, and it's going to put a row in above the row that we had selected. So 25 is now blank. It should have put an empty row above what you had selected. All right, we're also going to let's go up to our D column. Let's talk about how to delete a row or column. So you're going to go either to your column heading or your row label. So this time we're going to select our column D by clicking on the D up at the top. We're going to go to Delete. We're going to do Delete Sheet Columns. And that took out that column and it moved everything else to the left. And let's put one back in there if we want to. So with D still selected, or you select another one, just as an example, we can go into Insert, Insert Sheet Columns, and there's a blank column, and it always puts it to the left. We're going to go to the top here, and let's put in another row. So we're going to select the row 3 heading or row 3 label here on the left. We're going to insert sheet rows. And then in A3 we're going to type zone 1. And remember, in our other video we saw we got to select this range of cells, and then we're going to go up and do merge and center. And it's going to merge all these cells together, and it's going to put zone 1 right in the middle, in the center. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.